Good morning, gardeners. Stay connected while I share what I learned from experienced gardeners and modified that according to our own growing zone 3V4A Edmonton, Alberta. The last frost date in Edmonton was May 17 this year. So I have these raised bed. They are 3 by 2 feet wide, and I tried experimenting planting outdoor before the last frost date. So what I was using, these polycarbonate panels 2 by 4 feet, and I used to cover these like this, put some bait 4 by 4 or struck panel so this doesn't fly away. And this experiment has been successful because all the plants are healthy even when it was snowing. So I learned basics from senior gardeners, experienced gardeners on YouTube, and modified what works according to this growing zone 3V4A. The plants inside greenhouse are ahead of time, like 45 to 55 days. Peas are already flowering. Even there are some peas already visible. Temperature, I have to open the door, and the other door is automatic. It opens when temperature goes above 30. So I have to open all the two doors because temperatures even touch 40s. Ladybug there. Tomatoes are doing fine. There are some pepper plants too, but they are not growing as fast as tomato plants and peas. Some beans, cabbage. I already picked few greens. Grow happiness one seed at a time. That's our slogan. Stay connected. Bye for now. Thank you for watching this video.